Hello, in this video, we will be covering the messages received over CAN and how to use them to build a display. The PVED CLS Demo Kit Simulator will be used as an example and guide. For reference, the Demo Kit source codes are available on the PVED CLS page of the Danfoss website in the PVED CLS Demo Kit section under Software. The display receives messages from the PVED CLS, such as steering feedback and operational state and status messages. The display simulates inputs from the sensors and transmits these signals along with MMI to the PVED CLS. The display uses these messages to show relevant information to the operator. The CAN receive page shows some of the messages that are being received by the display. The steering feedback message allows the display to show the estimated EH flow, estimated wheel angle, and the number of turns lock to lock. The operational state status message provides information on what mode the machine is in. Different status messages can be used to view the status of different variables. If we look at the status messages page in Service Tool, we can see all the data that each status message is collecting. If we take a closer look at the status message 1 block, we can see that the block outputs requested spool position, actual spool position, and external analog input 1 and 2. This data makes this block helpful when troubleshooting. This message can be transmitted periodically, or it can be requested by the status message request. To implement one of the status messages blocks in Guide, the block just needs to be selected from the function block library and drug onto the screen. Once the block is placed, it will need to be connected to the corresponding buses and wires. If we connect a wire to the bus that comes from the status message 1 block, we can see the signals that the block is outputting, such as requested spool position, actual spool position, and the external analog input 1 and 2. Other messages from the code are used in the display. Message control originates from the menu handler page and controls navigation of the display menu. Vehicle Simulate is used in the demo kit code to simulate feedback from the steering wheel rotation, wheel angle, and speed. This is based on buttons on the display. On a real machine, this would be replaced by feedback from the sensors on the machine. The DM1 message is used for diagnostics. These messages are routed onto the outpage bus. They are then accessed in the interface out screen to be used in the screen editor for the display. In the screen editor, the display uses these values to show data such as the number of turns lock to lock, wheel angle, speed, and current state. The number of turns lock to lock and the current state are received from the CLS, while the wheel angle and speed are simulated in the demo kit program. These signals are coming from the vehicle simulate. The screen of the display is broken up into widgets. Each widget can be assigned to a different signal. For example, the lock-to-lock graphic receives the lock-to-lock signal from the steering feedback message and uses this to display the lock-to-lock value to the operator. That is everything for this video. Thank you for watching.